What's up, everybody? A few weeks ago I got a new air fryer, and I gotta say I love having gone back to the basket style instead of the toaster oven style. And they included with my purchase a free recipe. It's a nice little, what is that, a 4x6 card, and it is buffalo chicken bites is what I got in mine. I don't know if they're all different, but I asked you guys if you wanted to see this recipe as a video, and you said yes. So today we're going to try it. Let's get cooking. All right, so I have most of the ingredients out here. It calls for 1.5 to 2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So I pulled out one of my packages from Good Ranchers, and these are 2 1/4 pounds, so we won't use all of them. 2 1/4. I'll leave 2 behind. I bet that'll do it. Get these cleaned up here. All right, there we go. We have our chicken, and it wants these cut into 1-inch pieces. They're supposed to be bites, so I'm just kind of, yeah, that'll work. All right, there we go. We have our chicken cut up into 1-inch pieces. It varies, you know. Step 1, prepare a breading station. So here are all of our ingredients, and I'm just gonna go ahead. Yeah, okay. Let's get this all mixed up, and we're not gonna go over this because you can find the recipe on Instant Pot's website. This little QR code here, if you want to scan that, takes you to their free app where apparently they have a bunch of free recipes. I'm gonna get another cutting board. I'll go with the next size smaller. I really like this set here. Comes with 3 different sizes. It's plastic, so you know, don't put raw chicken on your wood cutting boards. Right, back to it. Prepare a breading station. In 1 bowl, whisk eggs, and in a second bowl, mix the breading ingredients. Dip 1 piece of chicken into the eggs, then coat with the breadcrumbs. Repeat until each piece of chicken is breaded. Okie dokie. Here we go. All right, there we have it. Next is we're going to select air fry, set the temperature to 375 degrees, and set the time for 15 minutes. Arrange the chicken into single layer on the cooking tray. When the display shows turn food, flip the bites with tongs. While chicken is cooking, combine together the sauce ingredients. One of the things I like about this is they have the ingredient list set up in categories or bullet points, if you will. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and get this. Go air fry, temp 375. Time, it said 15 minutes, yes? Already forgot. 15 minutes. There we go. Add food. I'm going to pull this out, and just like it said, carefully arrange on the cooking tray. All right, there we go. Almost to the halfway point here, where it's going to tell us to turn food. We'll go ahead and combine these ingredients like it said while we're waiting. There we go. Halfway through, we'll go ahead and give them a turn here. Ooh, they're getting nice and crispy. All right, and back in for the rest of the duration. Okay. There we go. We're gonna do a quick read. Never assume. There. So, per the instructions, we'll go ahead and add these fellers to the bowl. Yeah, it smells good already. They're nice and crunchy. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound of the tongs against the breading, but woo-hoo-hoo. Come on. There's our hot sauce. We're just gonna go, all over. There's that. And I'm just gonna use the same spoon and without trying to puncture anything, just rotate everything around. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, well, following those instructions was quite easy. Nothing was unclear. It took the amount of time that it stated it reached the temperature that it needed to go to. I garnished it just like they suggested. Some green onion, and they had some celery in the picture, and a little bit of ranch dressing, you know, classic buffalo kind of style. There's but one thing left to do, and that is test it. I'm gonna grab this one right here. Look at that guy. All right, Instant. Don't let me down. It's got everything I want. It's got the right amount of heat for me. Customize it as you please. It's got crunch to it. They're like adult chicken nuggets. Basically a boneless chicken wing. I gotta get one more before I sign off, guys. So the question is asked and answered. Are these little cards worth holding on to? Yeah. So if you guys buy anything from Instant and you get a recipe card, try it out and let me know. Did you have the same outcome or not? This was fun. I'll put a link to everything that I used down below, including the chicken. If you need a handmade cutting board to plate your buffalo chicken bites on, I have a very limited release also in the description below. You know, New Year's is coming up. This would be a fun thing to do with you and your friends and family. But I give it a thumbs up. So try this at home. Let me know if you do. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Until next week, be well.